Hello Red Devils, MUFC Legend here and I'm back again with another video. So there's great news coming in. Anthony Martial has signed a new contract with the Manchester United. So let's get straight into the news. So Manchester United is delighted to announce that Anthony Martial has signed a new contract which will keep him at the club until June 2024 with the option to extend for a further year. Martial, who's only 23 years old, he has made a whopping 162 appearances and he scored a reasonable 46 goals since making his debut against Liverpool in September 2015. So Martial said, "I am loving my time at this club. From the day I joined, I have been made to feel part of the United family and I have been incredibly humbled and overwhelmed by the warmth and love of our fans who continue to amaze me with their support. I would like to thank Oli and his coaching staff for the belief in me and for helping me take my game to the next level. This club is all about winning trophies and I'm sure the next piece of silverware is not that far away." So that's fantastic to hear that, he's really happy at the club. Under Mourinho, he wasn't happy and he wanted to leave. But, there's a new direction the club's going in. And Anthony Martial, that's one of the reasons why Martial has signed a new contract. So Solskjaer said that Anthony is one of the naturally gifted players that any coach would love to work with. For a young man, he has good footballing brain, which, when coupled with his exceptional talent, makes for a player with an exciting future ahead of him. This is the perfect club for Anthony to progress his development as a top-class forward, and we are all delighted he has signed a new long-term deal. So I'm really happy. I'm guessing that every Manchester United fan is happy with Anthony Martial signing a new contract. He's a great player, and he's only going to get better for us. He needs to add more goals to his game, in my opinion. But his dribbling is fantastic, and the way he runs past defenders with ease it's really exciting to see. And I'm so glad that Man United kept him. And he will develop into a world-class player, in my opinion. He has got all the natural abilities, and he just needs a solid team. We need a solid team. We need world-class players. And I think Oli, if we do get him as a permanent manager, he can build something really special here. He's got the tactics to do it. His football is, his philosophy is really great. It's like Ferguson, attack, 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 and that's what we need to do. And it's really great to hear that Martial has signed a new contract. So anyways, please like, subscribe. It's been MUFC Legend, and I'll see you guys later.